Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go count. Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go add. When all that counting is done, we'll be adding sums. How are you, math stars? Well, today is time for module 20, lesson 2. Yesterday, we talked about the words heavy and light, right? Like if it's heavy, probably a human can't pick it up. But if it's light, probably a human could, right? Like a baby or a dad. Well, I mean, some humans can pick up dads, but you personally, as a kindergartner, I'm guessing you probably couldn't pick up your mom or your dad, right? They maybe are a little too heavy, but you could probably hold a little baby. Okay, so today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to compare two objects and say whether they're heavier or lighter, right? We have the word heavy. Heavier means like more heavy, but we don't say you're more heavy. We say heavier, right? We say that car is heavier than my Matchbox car, right? Okay, and the same thing for lighter. We were talking about it's light, right? Now it's lighter. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Module 20, lesson 2, I can identify which object is heavier or lighter and use the words heavier and lighter to describe the attributes of weight. Here we go. There's a tricycle. Have you learned to ride a bike without the training wheels yet? Well, if you do, that's fabulous. If you don't, maybe you still ride a tricycle, or maybe your baby brother does. So there's a tricycle and a motorcycle. Which one is heavier? Which one do you think? Which one is lighter? Yeah, I think you're right. Oh, here we have strawberry and pineapple. I love fruit. Which one do you think would be lighter? Remember, light and heavy. Which one is lighter? It would take less effort to pick up. It doesn't weigh as much, right? Which one do you think? Yeah, the strawberry, because you know what? You can hold a strawberry with just your two little fingers, right? Maybe you could hold a pineapple with two little fingers, but it might be a little bit hard because the pineapple is heavier, right? Okay, goodness, look at those dogs. Big dog, little dog, right? One of them is lighter than the other. Which one's lighter? I think that little one. Which one's heavier? Oh, that big Great Dane. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go to your book now. Here we go. Find this page in your book. Listen to the story. Angelo is making a fruit salad. He chose a heavy fruit and a light fruit. Which fruits could he have chosen? So he chose one heavy one and one light one. Let's see. First, one heavy one. Which could he choose? Let's see. The pineapple, maybe a little heavy. Light, light, heavy. So he could use the pineapple or the watermelon. Yeah. Now, let's say I chose the pineapple. I like the pineapple. I like watermelon too, but let's say I'm in the mood for pineapple. What fruit could I choose to go with that pineapple? I need a heavy fruit and a light fruit. My pineapple's the heavy fruit. Can I choose the watermelon? Nope. It would be the pineapple and either the orange or the apple. You can pick. Or if you want to pick the watermelon, can you pick the pineapple to go with watermelon? Nope. Let's say oranges are your favorite. Can you pick the apple to go with oranges? No, because that would be two light fruits. You need one light and one heavy. Which one? Okay. For this number 1, this girl, she's holding an apple and a strawberry. Circle the object that has more weight or is heavier between an apple. And I'm not talking an apple slice. That's a whole apple or a strawberry. Which one is heavier? Which do you think? Circle that one. Okay. Number 2, right here, this boy, he has a pencil and he has glue. Mark an X on the object that has less weight or is lighter. Now, we're going to just assume that glue bottle, that's liquid white glue, it's full. It's a brand new bottle. He just got it. and he just got this pencil. So here we go. Mark an X on the object that has less weight or is lighter. Which one do you think is lighter? You can pause this while you do both of those. All right, we have a wagon. Draw an object right here that is lighter than a wagon. Tell a classmate how you may, well, not a classmate, but tell your homeschool teacher how you know the object is lighter. So you're going to draw. What would be lighter than a wagon? Draw something and then tell them how you know it's lighter. Okay, you can pause this while you do that. All right, number 4. Circle the object that has more weight or is heavier. So you're circling the one that's heavier, and an X on the object that has less weight or is lighter. So between a ball and a tennis racket, which is heavier? Which do you think? Which is lighter? Some tennis rackets are really light. Some are really heavy. But I think even the lightest tennis racket's probably going to be, do you think it's going to be heavier than a ball? Probably. All right. All right, next is on your own. Yeah, on your own, which means you're going to go find your homeschool teacher to read that problem to you and tell them what you know about heavier and lighter. Okay? Great job today, Math Stars. I'll see you next time.